Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, what is about however if iPhone optimized battery charging is not working, how can I fix? So guys, here is a 5 ways to fix it. Number first, you disable and re-enable optimize battery charger. So how I can you first click on setting and then click on battery and then tap on battery health and then click on optimize battery charge, turn off and turn on. Okay. First solution is okay, and then second, you should be enable location service, and then back you click on privacy, then you tag on location service and your location service is enabled. Okay, and the number second solution is and working, and number third solution, restart your iPhone. Tap on volume up and volume down button and then press off button, power button, and then number fourth solution, update iOS, then click on setting and then click on general and then click on software update, and update is available on your mobile. You can update your iPhone. And number last and five, reset all setting on iPhone. How can I reset on iPhone? Then click on general and then click on transfer or reset and then click on reset and reset all setting and given a passcode of your iPhone mobile, and your problem is solved. And then your problem should solve this as method. Guys, if you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel and the press bell icon for more latest new tech video.